Hi, listeners. Welcome back. In this session, we'll learn about visual and audio content. With the visual content, there are a bit more complex. Things are bit more complex. The process of a preparation and final editing is similar for all types of content, including written content with the different ways of presenting. So, written content is more easy, but audio-visual content is difficult. If you have a written content, you can write and you can make it as a word format or whatever it is, web format or whatever it is. But content like a video, it need more preparation. Sometime the content outcome will be in, I mean, like, I'm talking about a video content, it cannot be come out well if you are not an expert. Okay, so audio visual content also having writing, designing, recording, editing, and checking. So that is pre-production and post-production work. So writing is comes under pre-production. Writing might be script. So visual content have a writing content also. So that is script, storyboards, etc. So designing is what exactly the graphics, images. It is a main part of a content creation. So beside hiring a person who design the content, it is necessary to use design tools for this purpose, etc. So for visual contents, so maybe like if a copywriter has written the copy, then a poster designer should have to design. Next is if it is video, then after the script or storyboard, we'll go for a recording. So with the audio and video content, the next phase will be presenting the material and recording it. The development of technology has enabled easy recording nowadays. With the mobile phones, we can record. GoPro is there, other cameras are there. So it is much less complex to do, but we have to take care, because if you are a good organization, the professionalism you should have to maintain. Otherwise, it will affect the reputation of the company. So pretty much any smartphone can be used for this purpose, but professional content should be go professional. So you have to hire people outside, hire experts from the outside, professionals. So during the recording, it is very important to think about way you are presenting the content. So that is very important. Otherwise, people will confused. So editing and proofreading is another task. It's a head-breaking job. You have to, if you want a 7 minutes of content, definitely you have to shoot for. If it is a audio content, then it is fine. Visual content, your explanatory video and all, definitely you have to work for 1 hour for 7 hours of 7 minutes of a video. Next, the last one is publishing. So the end, you get to publish the final product. So once you are perfectly happy with the way it turned out, you are ready to present the content to the internet users. So when it comes to publishing, the platform you are going to use depend on the type of content. If it is a blog article, you will probably publish it on your own blog, or perhaps on other blog where you are present as a guest author. If the video is the content in question, you also have several options. You could host it on your server, or you could use a more popular option and publish the video on a video hosting platform such as YouTube or Facebook, whatever it is, social media platforms. Anywhere, if you are publishing which have a social presence, definitely that is publishing. Essentially, it is always best to publish on your own platform, that is website, and you can link it, backlink with social media platform. There is no written rules. You can publish it in your social media platform as well. So, or you can divide content for a website as well as content for and separate different content for social media platforms. So because this way you have access to several and or several people, and you can make assure that the content has delivered to different uh, you know platforms. So there are n number of tools which we can use. Zoho Social, just a click away. From Zoho Social, you have to connect your social media platforms to Zoho Social, ZOHO, Zoho Social, and you have to. If I have Zoho Social, I have to connect every my social media platforms to Zoho Social, and just a click away, I can upload my content in every platform. Like a social media platform which I am into, or the access which I have given. So, however, the main benefit of hosting your video on YouTube is, for example, in fact, you are likely to reach more people. This way, due to a social character of this platform or algorithm, we discussed about the YouTube recommended algorithm. So, this will help you to achieve more. So, that is the power of YouTube. So these phases make the entire process organized, like a process more organized and coherent, which is very important if you want to create high performing content, high performing content. As you go through each phase, you get to focus on the specific task while thinking about the goals you wish to achieve the content. Thank you so much.